Giving a cold start of my scatpack 2018. My door is open. It's dirty right now. Inside need cleaning and all those stuff. My wheels. Heading to the dealership. I need them to pour the coat back over my wheel. A curve. The two front ones. Start. I'll show you the wheels. Curve is right here. One. And the other one is on the front. This side right here. Curve is pretty bad right here. Take it to the dealership. They told me it's gonna be away for a week. They have to send the wheels back to get them pulled apart. Away from that, I have it maybe 7 months now. It's pretty good. Drive it to work every day. About to go on the road right now, into the dealership. I enjoy my car. I love this thing. My first one was a SE. Was a 2.7 2006. Then I changed that one and get a SXT. Then I upgrade. This is my drone. I'm about to go to the park. Yeah. So I'm about to head to the park. This is my drone. I'm flying my drone. I'm not fully a big pilot as yet, but I'm working on it. It's taking a time. The same goes for my car. I'm not fully advanced in certain things as yet, but I'm learning as the step go by. Alright, catch you guys later. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.